Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to let you know what is the minimum payment for TD Bank credit card. So according to TD Bank, you must pay at least the minimum payment shown on your statement on or before each payment due date. They calculate the minimum payment as described in disclosure statement. Now, for many details on what happens if you do not pay your minimum payment on or before the payment due date on your statement, you should see what happens if your credit card payment is late. So for that, you could go to the web browser and then type in that. So according to the TD Bank, the annual interest rate that applies to the account will increase to the rate set out in your disclosure statement, and you will lose the benefit of the lower rate promotional offers on the account, including any offers made not yet expected by the customer. So that is the minimum payment for TD Bank credit card. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.